How to easily set up your blog with WordPress. If you're worried about setting up your blog, don't be. WordPress has made it very easy for you, which is one of the reasons why the blog script is so popular. So let's get started. There are two ways you can set up your WordPress blog. An easy way, if you don't know how to do it, and an even easier way, if you have no prior knowledge about setting up scripts. Sounds good, doesn't it? If you don't know how to upload files, chances are that your web host has made it really simple for you to set up your WordPress blog anyway. So let's take a look at the most painless way to set up a WordPress blog. This is how you do it. 1. Log into your control panel. 2. Navigate down to the Fantastico icon. It looks like a smiling face, and it might be called Fantastico Deluxe. 3. Click on it and find WordPress in the blog group at the top. 4. After you've clicked on the WordPress link, click on New Installation and locate your domain on the pull-down menu. 5. If you want to install your blog directly into the root of the directory, leave the field Install in Directory empty. If that's the case, you'll go to your blog when you type your domain in the address bar of your browser, like mydomain.com. If you want to have your blog in a folder on your domain, like mydomain.com/blog, you should enter the name in the folder of the field. The example here would be blog. Beware that the folder must not exist already. 6. Write an administrator's name and password in the field below. 7. Fill in the fields with the basic information about your blog, like the administrator's name, the blog name, etc. 8. Click the button Install WordPress and then on Finish Installation. You're done. As you can see, the lack of technical knowledge is no longer an excuse for not getting your own blog. Everyone can do it with Fantastico.